Hey guys, Damien here from Auto Attention. I hope you're keeping well during this lockdown in Melbourne. If you're not in Melbourne, lucky you. Today we're going to take you through how to wash your car at home like a pro. So first step is to soak your wheels in wheel cleaner. A great wheel cleaner that we use is non-acid by Nanoskin, and you really want to soak the wheel so that you can see the product running off the wheel. Make sure you get the inner wheel barrel as well, and it's also great for cleaning your inner guards as well. Next step, while your wheel cleaner is doing its thing, snow foam the car. Snow foam is really good for a heavily soiled car. It just helps loosen up and remove some of that initial dirt. While the snow foam's doing its thing, grab some wheel Woollies. These are great for cleaning your inner barrels, especially when you've got such an open wheel like we've got here on this Merc. It's great to make sure those inner wheel barrels are as clean as the face. Next step, after leaving the snow foam to sit for 3 to 4 minutes, you're going to rinse the car from top to bottom to remove all those chemicals, especially on the wheels. Now it's time to do your 2-bucket wash. So you're going to fill one bucket just with clean plain water and the other bucket with soap and water. These are going to be your clean and dirty water buckets. So grab your microfibre wash mitt and pick up the clean soapy water. Always start from top to bottom. So I like to start on the bonnet or the roof, and all you're going to do is clean the car in a straight motion. And the best advice I have is to try and be as methodical as possible. Act as if you're almost colouring in the panel and only touch each part of that panel once. After you've done 2 panels, remember to flip the mitt, because it essentially means you've got 2 mitts at once. Grab the mitt and put it in the plain water bucket, wring it out and get all that dirt out of the mitt that you've just taken off the car. Rinse the mitt out and pick up your soapy water again. Repeat these steps for the rest of the car, rinsing that mitt out every 2 or 3 panels, and remember to work from the top down and from the least dirty to the most dirty panels. After you've done that, rinse the car off, and when you're rinsing, try and have a direction about it. You're not trying to just wet the car, you're trying to remove that soap from the car. So try and push the soap off the car as you're rinsing. After you've rinsed the car off, now comes time to dry the car. We recommend always using a microfibre wash mitt, no more chamois. Always use your microfibre wash mitt damp, so wet it before you use it, because a wet cloth dries the car better. We're going to use a spray wax to dry the car. It actually assists in drying the car and it saves you waxing the car afterwards. All you do is a few sprays per panel into your drying towel and dry the car with it. Always remember to dry the car from top to bottom as well. You can follow the same pattern that you did when you were washing the car with the microfibre wash mitt. After you've finished drying the car, you can move on to cleaning the rest of the dirt off the wheels. Just grab a nice damp microfibre cloth, and we actually use the spray wax again on the wheels. It just makes the wheels easier to clean over time. The more spray wax you put on there, every time you come and wash the car, the dirt will come off that bit easier. After you've done the wheels, you can move on to the door jambs, grab a new cloth and make sure you clean out all those door jambs. This is a nice final little touch to your car. Last, you can apply some tyre shine. We love Angel Wax Elixir. This is a really nice natural semi-gloss finish, and the best way to apply tyre shine is with an applicator. That way you don't get any sling up the side of the car. When it comes to interior, keep it simple. All we do is just a simple vac and a wipe with just a wet, damp microfiber cloth. Follow up that wet wipe with a nice dry microfiber cloth to wipe over any glossy parts of the interior, like the piano black plastics and any badges inside the car. All our products that we've showed you today are available at detailcentral.com.au. He is the man who we get all our stuff from, and there is a link in this description to sign on to our email list, and for doing that we are giving out a code for detailcentral.com.au. So sign on and get shopping.